Okay, we got the new James Baroud Odyssey rooftop tent. This has been 6 years in the making from James Baroud, 100% European manufactured, 100% European design, and we're going to show you the quality of this rooftop tent now with a quick walk around and show you how it all functions. Alright, this is the new 4mm thick ABS hull, which allows better insulation, very strong and durable, and has a layer over the top which provides UV protection. The design of the hull is extremely aerodynamic, providing you fuel efficiency on any vehicle, but also provides stability and strength in this hull. We love it. A key feature of the Odyssey rooftop tent is the cargo bars. This is a game changer for the rooftop tents from James Baroud. These can hold up to 70 kilos with the tent down, 25 kilos with the tent up, and they are available as an aftermarket accessory with the Odyssey rooftop tent. So as you can see, we've got 2 latches at the back. We don't have the 4 latches anymore, so this makes for quick and easy pop-up. So the gas struts simply get you into a spot where you can then just walk around to the front of your car, pop up. So there's plenty of room inside the tent for your bedding and pillows, and also your ladder. So we're going to grab the ladder and get up there. The ladder is a 2.4 metre standard size ladder. It also comes in 3 metres in the XL. Ergonomic steps allows you up and down easily without slipping, and it holds 200 kilos at any one time. The piston arms on the new Odyssey tent are one of the biggest feature changes for our rooftop tents. So as you can see here, we simply place our hand on it and click it into position. This simple click allows us to lock the arm in and provides tension on our canvas and our tent. And all we do to release it before you drop the tent is a light click, and it clicks down, and then we can bring the tent down. The James Baroud solar fan is the best way to attack the condensation issues that you get with every tent in any climate around the world. So this is a very quiet solar fan that requires you just to put your finger through a small gap in the fan, click it on, and then it works as an extraction fan and keeps the airflow throughout the tent. Okay, the mattress is a 65mm high density mattress that is extremely comfortable and durable and comes with a 5-year warranty. High density but really comfortable, and will offer you just as good a night's sleep in the rooftop tent as in your own bed. This rooftop tent comes with a 100% blackout feature, so this 3-layered heavy duty canvas allows us perfectly black night, so easy to sleep, keeps the sun out, sunrise, sunset, with no issues of waking up early if you don't want to. Once we get rid of the canvas and drop it down, we get the 360-degree view, which is the best feature for the James Baroud product. The James Baroud lantern comes standard in every rooftop tent. It's USB chargeable, LED, and provides 360-degree kind of functions with handheld, and you can add it to backpacks, lapels, and it's lightweight, heavy duty, and easily stored back in the tent. Alright guys, dropping the tent is as easy as putting it up. We've got the handle on the outside. We just jump up, pull down, making sure you're pulling pressure on the tent forward and pulling it in. And shimming it into place. Touch your canvas each side. Windows can be open or closed all the way. It's not an issue with this tent. And another feature is the handle at the back. We use that to pull down and then push canvas in.